Detox smoothies are a great way to cleanse your body. They are not only refreshing, but also packed with nutrients that help to rejuvenate your system. Imagine starting your day with a burst of flavors that also works wonders for your health. They are packed with fruits, vegetables, and other healthy ingredients. From leafy greens like spinach and kale to vibrant fruits like berries and mangoes, the combinations are endless. Each ingredient brings its own set of benefits, making every sip a powerhouse of nutrition. These smoothies help to flush out toxins. The fiber in the fruits and vegetables aids in digestion, while the antioxidants help to combat free radicals. It's like giving your body a fresh start every time you drink one. They can boost your energy levels. Instead of reaching for that cup of coffee, try a detox smoothie. The natural sugars and vitamins provide a sustained energy boost without the crash. You'll feel more alert and ready to tackle your day. Smoothies are easy to make. With just a few simple steps, you can whip up a delicious and nutritious drink. All you need is a blender and your favorite ingredients. It's a quick and convenient way to nourish your body. You blend all the ingredients together. The process is simple. Just add your chosen fruits, vegetables, and a liquid base like water or almond milk. Blend until smooth, and you have a perfect detox smoothie ready to enjoy. They are a quick and convenient way to get your daily dose of fruits and vegetables. Whether you're rushing to work or heading to the gym, a detox smoothie is an easy way to ensure you're getting essential nutrients on the go. Try adding a detox smoothie to your routine. Experiment with different recipes to find your favorites. You can even customize them to suit your taste and dietary needs. The possibilities are endless, and your body will thank you for the variety. Your body will thank you. Not only will you feel better, but you'll also notice improvements in your skin, digestion, and overall well-being. It's a small change that can make a big difference. Detox smoothies can help improve digestion. The fiber content helps to keep things moving smoothly, reducing bloating and discomfort. It's a gentle way to support your digestive health. They can also boost your immune system. Ingredients like citrus fruits, ginger, and leafy greens are rich in vitamins and minerals that support immune function. Regularly consuming detox smoothies can help keep you healthy and resilient. These smoothies are a tasty way to support your overall health. They are not only good for you, but also delicious. It's a win-win situation where you get to enjoy a tasty treat while taking care of your body. Let's dive into some delicious recipes. Stay tuned as we explore a variety of detox smoothie recipes that you can easily make at home. From tropical blends to green powerhouses, there's something for everyone. Get ready to transform your health, one smoothie at a time. Start your day with this refreshing green smoothie. It's full of nutrients. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach, half a banana, half a cup pineapple, half a cup coconut water, 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Instructions: wash and chop the spinach, peel and slice the banana. Add all ingredients to a blender. Blend until smooth. Spinach is a good source of iron. Bananas provide potassium. Pineapple aids digestion. Coconut water is hydrating. Chia seeds offer fiber. This smoothie is perfect for a midday pick-me-up. It's packed with antioxidants. Ingredients: 1 cup mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, half a cup almond milk, 1/4 cup yogurt, 1 teaspoon honey, optional. Instructions: rinse the berries. Combine all ingredients in a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Berries are rich in antioxidants. They help protect your cells from damage. Almond milk is a good source of vitamin E. Yogurt provides probiotics for gut health. Transport yourself to a tropical paradise with this delicious smoothie. Ingredients: half a cup mango, half a cup papaya, 1/4 cup orange juice, 1/4 cup coconut milk. Instructions: peel and chop the mango and papaya. Add all ingredients to a blender. Blend until smooth and enjoy the tropical flavors. Mango is rich in vitamins A and C. Papaya aids digestion. Orange juice provides vitamin C. Coconut milk adds a creamy texture. All right, let's dive into some tips for smoothie success. Smoothies are a fantastic way to pack a lot of nutrients into one delicious drink. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast, a post-workout snack, or a refreshing treat, these tips will help you make the perfect smoothie every time. First up, use frozen fruit for a thicker smoothie. Frozen fruits not only make your smoothie cold and refreshing, but they also give it a creamy texture without the need for ice cream or yogurt. And if you find that you need it, go ahead and add a handful of ice. Ice can help achieve that perfect consistency, especially if you prefer your smoothies extra cold. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ingredients. The beauty of smoothies is their versatility. You can mix and match fruits, vegetables, and even spices to create unique flavors. Try adding a pinch of cinnamon or a dash of vanilla extract for an extra flavor boost. For example, you can add spinach to a berry smoothie for a hidden boost of nutrients. Spinach blends seamlessly with fruits like strawberries and blueberries, so you won't even taste it. Plus, it's a great way to sneak in some greens if you're not a big fan of salads. Oh, and a little tip from me: invest in a good quality blender. A high-powered blender can make a world of difference. It can handle tough ingredients like frozen fruits and leafy greens with ease, ensuring a smooth and creamy texture every time. Trust me, it will make your smoothie making experience much easier. No more chunks of unblended fruit or vegetables. Plus, a good blender can last for years, making it a worthwhile investment for any smoothie enthusiast. Lastly, you can add a scoop of protein powder to your smoothies for a more filling meal replacement. Protein powder can help keep you full longer and provide the necessary nutrients for muscle recovery after a workout. There are many types of protein powders available, from whey to plant-based options, so you can choose one that fits your dietary preferences. Happy blending! Remember, the key to a great smoothie is to have fun and get creative with your ingredients. Enjoy the process and the delicious results. Section 6. The benefits of detoxing. Detoxing can help remove toxins from your body. It can improve your energy levels and digestion. Detoxing can also help with weight loss. Remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day when detoxing. This will help flush out toxins. You can also incorporate detoxifying foods into your diet. These foods include leafy greens, berries, and lemon water. Detoxing should not be a long-term solution. Focus on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. This will help your body naturally detoxify. Section 7. Listen to your body. It's important to listen to your body when detoxing. Your body is a complex system that communicates its needs and responses in various ways. When you embark on a detox journey, it's crucial to be in tune with these signals. This means being mindful of how different foods and drinks make you feel. You may experience some mild side effects. These are your body's way of adjusting to the new regimen. Common side effects can include headaches, fatigue, and skin breakouts. These symptoms are often a result of your body expelling toxins and adjusting to a cleaner diet. These side effects are normal and should subside within a few days. It's a sign that your body is working hard to cleanse itself. However, if you experience any severe or persistent side effects, it's important to stop detoxing and consult a healthcare professional immediately. Severe symptoms could indicate that your body is not responding well to the detox. It is always a good idea to talk to your doctor before making any major dietary changes. A healthcare professional can provide personalized advice based on your health history and current condition. Remember that everyone is different. What works wonders for one person may not have the same effect on another. This is why it's essential to pay close attention to your own body's responses. Sharing experiences can be helpful, but your journey is unique. Pay attention to how your body feels. Notice the positive changes, such as increased energy, clearer skin, and improved digestion. Adjust your detox plan accordingly. If something doesn't feel right, don't hesitate to make changes. Your body knows best, and listening to it is the key to a successful detox. Incorporate mindfulness practices to enhance your detox experience. Meditation, deep breathing, and gentle exercise can help you stay connected to your body's needs. Keeping a journal of your detox journey can also be beneficial. Documenting your experiences, feelings, and any changes you notice can provide valuable insights and help you make informed adjustments. Lastly, having a support system can make a significant difference. Whether it's friends, family, or an online community, sharing your journey with others can provide motivation and encouragement. Remember, the goal of detoxing is to support your body's natural ability to cleanse and rejuvenate. By listening to your body and making mindful choices, you can achieve a healthier, more vibrant you. Section 8. A healthier you. Incorporating detox smoothies into your diet can be a delicious and convenient way to improve your health. These nutrient-rich drinks can help cleanse your body, boost your energy levels, and support your overall well-being. Remember to listen to your body, stay hydrated, and focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes for long-term health. Embrace the power of detox smoothies. Enjoy the journey to a healthier and happier you. Section 9. Embrace the smoothie lifestyle. Making detox smoothies a part of your routine is easy and enjoyable. Experiment with different flavors and ingredients. Find what you love. Start your day with a vibrant green smoothie. Enjoy a refreshing berry blend as a midday snack. Treat yourself to a tropical delight after a long day. The possibilities are endless. Make detox smoothies a delicious and nutritious part of your life. Cheers to a healthier and more vibrant you.